Hello everyone, hope you're doing well today. In this video, I will introduce you from my point of view to a must-know website if you want to improve your 3D printing skills. During my plastic engineering studies at the Cégep of Determines, I am lucky enough to have access to a 3D printing lab where you can find different printers using the following 3D printing technologies: FDM, SLA, DLP, and SLS. While we have the authority to use those wonderful technologies, the subject isn't pushed very far in our classes. We focus more in the conception, injection molding, extrusion, and research and development than the 3D printing world. The most common technology would be the fuse deposition modeling, which is the FDM technology, one where you drop lines of fused polymer to create an object. Towards my goal of learning FDM, I surfed the internet, and God knows how many websites I've visited. There was one who responded to the most of my questions: Simplify 3D's website. Simplify 3D is a slicer, which is a software used to convert your 3D models into multiple layers, and then it will save the pattern the tool heads of your 3D printer has to accomplish to print your model. This save is named the STL file. Let's see what I'm talking about. Type in the following URL: www.simplify3d.com. You'll find yourself in the homepage of the website where they promote themselves, which is fine since they deserve all the credit of this presentation. In their website, you can learn and use the information at any level of knowledge you have towards FDM. Let's head to the navigation menu and mouse over the Support tab. This is where you want to spend your free time if you want to dig deep into 3D printing. There's different video tutorials on how to prepare your printing using the Simplify 3D software. Also, there's multiple articles about the basics of printing behaviors. You can see that there's different levels of article, so you might want to start with the beginner ones to make sure you have the basic needed to understand well everything that will be said in the intermediate and advanced article. There's come my favorite support page, which is the print quality guide. You can find pretty much every imperfection that might occur in your prints. Let's say your extruder stopped extruding mid-print and you want to know why. Simply open the Simplify 3D print guide, scroll down until you find the issue that you encounter, and click on it. The link paragraph will explain the problem, and if you can relate on the explanation, you are in the good tab. So yeah, this is exactly our fictional problem. Then, as you scroll down, you'll find different common solutions, from the obvious one towards the more specific ones, which are harder ones to correct. Trust me, you always wish the upper solution worked, since it might be more expensive for the specific problems. Sometimes the issue might be caused by another error, which is linked to the error we clicked on. That's why there's our hyperlink in the paragraph. If it's the case, you just have to click on them and they will take you to the correct web page. Now, add to all the streams of information the material guide. The material guide is very complete for home users. You always want to look up your spool provider for specific information about your material, but the Simplified 3D Material Guide can help you choose one of the multiple materials available in the market.
Okay.
You have the generic application and pros of each materials under the material in the material homepage. And once you click on one, let's say ASA, which is acrylonitrile styrene acrylate, you will find an exhaustive overview of the polymer, followed by the pros and cons, and hardware requirements. Very valuable information can be found after those requirements. If you want to start printing with a new polymer, you have to find some knowledge about this material first for minimal waste of materials. The more technical ones might be a struggle, so those tips are very, very welcome. In addition, blogs and community tab have a ton of posts of users like me discussing about 3D printing. So, if you ever have any question that somehow hasn't been answered yet, you can create a post in the community tab and advanced users will gladly respond to you. There you have it. Hope it was helpful and I wish you happy printing. Hello everyone.